Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, the set X is equal to X belongs to R such that f2x is equal to 2 of fx. For f where fx is equal to x squared plus 3x, then x is, so f2x is equal to 2x squared plus 3 into 2x, that is 4x squared plus 6x, and 2 of fx is equal to 2x squared plus 6x. So now for these two to be equal, 2x squared plus 6x is equal to 4x squared plus 6x. 6x cancels out from both sides and we get 0 is equal to 2x squared on subtracting 2x squared from both sides. Or from this we get x to be equal to 0. So it is a singleton set. Option B is the correct answer. The next question is, the roots of the complex equation 1 minus z cube plus z to the power 4 is equal to 0 are represented by the vertices of option A, a square, option B, an equilateral triangle, option C, a rhombus, and option D, none of these. Now this equation can be factored as z minus 1 into z cube minus 1 to be equal to 0. So the roots are z is equal to 1 1 omega and omega squared, where omega is the imaginary cube root of unity. The polar representation of the distinct roots are, now the polar representation of the distinct roots are e to the power I0, e to the power I 2 pi by 3 and e to the power I 4 pi by 3, which are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. These are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. So option B is the correct answer. The next question, if g is equal to 1 1, 2 3, 3 5, 4 7 is a function described by the formula gx is equal to ax plus beta, then so we need to find the values of alpha and beta. So now these ordered pairs are in the form xy and let gx be y. Now in fact gx is y. So we get alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by taking this pair. Now using this pair 2, 3 we get 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 3. Using this we get 3 alpha plus beta is equal to 5, and using this we get 4 alpha plus beta is equal to 7. Now let this be equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now on subtracting equation 1 from 2, so equation 2 minus 1, we get alpha is equal to 2. And using this equation, if alpha is equal to 2, then beta is equal to minus 1. Then only will this be equal to 1. So alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 is the answer. So option B is the correct answer.